Jai Hind everybody, how are you all guys doing? I welcome you all to my another video, and today's video is not going to be a vlog of my studies because I am the guy who had kept a secret inside me for a very long day, means since the very beginning I had kept a secret with me. So I think that it's the time to make the secret out of me because that is making me upset a lot. So I think that it's the time to get through it and conquer it because I know most of the guys, means I had seen you can say a news or a, means I had searched on the Gemini that how many people do struggle in NDA, and the score was very high. Means I found out that more than 80% of the children struggle very hard to pass the NDA exam, and this all is because of this single seat. Because of this single sheet, means this sheet of math. So yeah, the first exam which you are having of NDA, so maths, that contains 300 marks and 120 questions. And yeah, most of the aspirants fail there only, means they prepare well for the GAT exam and they suppose that they'll get more than 400 plus marks in the GAT, but their paper doesn't get checked because they have not done the maths very good and they have not just cleared the cutoff. So yeah, I am among those children who face this very much difficulty in their NDA exam, and this was the truth which I was hiding from you since the very beginning. Means I am the person who struggles in the maths a lot. That's why I had picked up arts to avoid the maths, but I get to know about NDA and started to imagine myself as the officer. And yes, I had started to prepare for the NDA, and after preparing, after getting the knowledge for NDA, I get to know about that this paper contains maths, and that of not 9th, 10th, but of 11th and 12th. So yeah, this was a very much big deal for me in the starting. And yeah, this is the subject which troubles most of the children during their NDA exam. And yeah, I have also seen, means most of the children who struggles with NDA is all because of maths, because the maths part is very hard and your GAT people will not get checked if you will not मतलब if you will not cut pass the cutoff. So yeah, means preparing for the GAT is not even enough for appearing in the SSB. So yeah, a good score is needed in the math section to at least reach the SSB, and furthermore more score is needed to be get recommended. So math exam is very important in this exam. So and yeah, I wanted to tell you a very important thing which I had gone through last night. Means army cadet had said that Indian army doesn't look for those people who have no fears in them, but instead they look for those who can conquer even their most deadliest fears. So yeah, if you want to be a strong cadet in the army and want to get selected through the SSB, you have to be the one who conquers their fear. And yeah, they are ready to, means even jump from the sky without parachutes. So yeah, at this time I am having my biggest fear as the maths, because this is a subject which is troubling me a lot. Means the GAT section is very much okay from my side and I am sure I will score more than 270 in it easily. So yeah, I have to look for maths now this time a lot more. So you guys understood what I am telling you. So this time my fear is the biggest maths rival, and yeah, I am sure that I will conquer this fear this time because I have made a very good to-do list to just, means at least score plus 70 plus 50 questions in the maths exam of NDA, and I am pretty sure that I will do this time. And with this spirit, let's talk about the to-do list. So let's make the to do list for conquering the NDA maths fair this time, and my first priorities are going to be chapters which are very much easy, means the probability, the statist, means these are the two chapters which come for 10 to 12 questions, and yeah, these much questions are enough for scoring good in the probability, and these are the only questions which come in the exam for probability and statist. So yeah, our first priority will be to master these two chapters, and after that I'll be doing coordinate geometry, 2D plus में 3D. What I am writing, coordinate geometry 2D plus में 3D, and these two chapters will come for 20 questions, and after it I'll be doing matrices and determinants, because this is a very much easy chapter and the number of questions it has is more than enough. And after that I'll be doing algebra, and through these questions I'll be able to tackle more than 50 questions in the end exam, and I suppose that I'll be doing all of these correct, and this would be helping me to at least score good in this exam. And yeah, I would be very happy if I'll be going for attending the SSB even if my recommendation doesn't happen, and this is a very negative thing, so no, let's not talk further about it. So yeah, reaching Khadakwasla is not a very big deal, but yeah, it is also not very easy, so you have to be just not perfect, but yeah, you have to be better and better each day for reaching Khadakwasla, through your physical, through your mental, through your studies, through your emotions, through your attitude, through your aptitude. So yeah, these are the demands which are usually asked for in the SSB, and through the test they will check every demand, every necessity they need in a aspirant or a cadet. So yeah, I had written in my register what qualities are needed and how the tests are done in the SSB. So first let's just focus on the written exam, because if written exam is not cleared, then there is no chance of reaching the SSB. And furthermore, the chances of reaching SSB are through NCC, so we'll be discussing about it later. First, just tell me your biggest fear during your any journey in the comment section or in the NDA exam. Just tell me. I also want to know if there are more children who struggle with maths, or do I only do these things. Do a like to the video. Never forget to subscribe. Bye bye.
Head up, that's a fact. Never looking back. I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong. Always moving on. Feel I don't belong.